Chiller is applied in cooling a mold when flowing bottles. It can greatly improve the surface mold finish, reduce surface lines from bottles shape quickly, speed up foaming, and increasing output capacity rapidly. Chiller has cooling temperature range from 5 degrees to 30 degrees. There are two types of chillers, wet cooling type and forced cooling type. The main difference is condensing board. Wet type chiller leaves cooling tower and outdoor for removing heat, and fast type chiller is changing heat in workshop automatically. Fast cool chiller has character of easier for installing, clean, low noise. Wet type chiller has character of strong cooling ability, big space for installing. The bottle sizes, thickness, and bottle output capacity decides the necessary cooling ability, such as 10 horsepower, 15 horsepower, or 20 horsepower, and so on. So when you have a giant production line investment, water cooling tap is not best. Otherwise, fast cool chiller is better and convenient for your production line. Our chiller is widely applied in many famous manufacturing workshops, such as Siemens, Shell, Panasonic, Tesla, and so on. Okay, that's pretty much of today's chiller application in bottle blowing line. Hopefully all of our friends can choose suitable chiller for your production cooling and make your bottle quality and output capacity, improving your production competition. If you have any question, please leave your message in the comment section. Bye-bye.